Happy morning students. Coming back to the chapter triangles, exercise 6.3 continuation. Sixth problem. In the figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. He has given the figure triangle ABC where he has given that ABE triangle is congruent to ADC triangle. We want to show that ADE triangle is similar to ABC triangle. Coming to the solution, given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Since both the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. So I am going to take the side AB from triangle ABE and side AC from triangle ACD, where AB is equal to AC by corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and AE is equal to AD. AE I am taking from triangle ABE and AD from triangle ACD. So I get AD is equal to AE by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So I have taken the two sides are equal by the case triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So coming to the triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So we are going to divide the side AB by AD and AC by AE, that is dividing AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So taking reciprocal of that, I will get AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Now going angle A is common to triangle ADE as well as ABE. So I got one angle as common which is included between these two taken sides. Coming to the problem here, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, I proved AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, and angle A is common for both the triangles. So by SAS similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, which was a proof. Seventh problem, given the figure where altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P, show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second one, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third one, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Fourth one, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Now he has given the figure. We want to prove all the four cases. The first we need to prove that AEP is similar to CPD triangle. So I have to use a similarity criterion to prove that these two triangles are similar. So I am going to take one angle D is 90 here, whereas your angle AEP, so because this adjacent angle is 90, the other adjacent angle in a linear pair must be 90. So I have taken this angle ES, that is AEP as 90. So I got one angle D and angle E as 90, and the second angle APE and angle CPD are vertically opposite angles. So thus I got two angles from triangle CPD and APE are equal. So now coming to the solution here, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle E is equal to angle D, each angle 90 degree, and angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles are equal. So when two corresponding angles of these triangles are equal, so automatically by AA similarity, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now the second proof is, I want to prove the triangle ADB is similar to CBE triangle. So here also the same case, ADE triangle, I got this angle ADB as 90 degree, and CEB triangle, I got angle E as 90 degree. So I got one angles from both the triangles, and similarly angle B is common to triangle CEB and angle B, which is also common to ADB. Angle B is common to triangle ADB and CBE. So I got two angles for these two triangles. So coming back to the solution here, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle D is equal to angle E. Each angle is 90 degree and angle B is common to both the triangles. So by AA similarity criterion, I got triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Now the third proof is, I want to prove that triangle APE is similar to ADB. So in triangle ADP, I got angle ADB as 90. In APE, I got angle AEP as 90. For I got one angle from both the triangles as 90 degree, and angle A, which is angle A, this is common to APE triangle and ADP triangle. So I got two corresponding angles are equal. So coming to the solution here, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle E is equal to angle D, each angle 90 degree, and angle A is common to both the triangles. So by AA similarity, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Coming to the fourth one, I want to prove that the triangle PDC is similar to the triangle BCE. So where in triangle PDC and BCE, I have angle C is common to both the triangles, and angle D, that is in PCD angle D is 90 degree and BCE angle E is 90. So I got two angles here. So one angle is angle C is common, the other angle is angle D is equal to angle E, which is 90 degree. So coming to the solution here, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, angle C is common to both the triangles and angle D is equal to angle E, each angle is 90. So by AA similarity, again triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC, hence proved. Eighth problem, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. He has given in the problem where ABCD is a parallelogram and the side of a parallelogram has been produced to a point E and such that it is joining with B. This BE intersects the CD line at F. We want to prove that triangle ABE is similar to CFB. Now coming to the solution. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, so we have ABCD is a parallelogram where the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we have angle A is equal to angle C, where your angle A is involved in the triangle ABE and angle C is involved in the triangle CBE. So coming to the solution, I have angle A is equal to angle C, where these two angles are equal, and so by the property opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and since this angle contained in this triangle, so I got one corresponding angle is equal. Now coming to the next point, angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. In the figure where angle AEB, this E angle, and your angle CBF, this angle, or alternate interior angles, since it is a parallelogram and your EB is a transversal. So I can say that angle E and angle B are alternate interior angles, and these two angles are involved in the triangle ABE and CFB. So coming to the solution, I have angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Alternate interior angles are equal. So these two corresponding angles are equal in both the triangles. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criterion, hence proved. Ninth problem. In the figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second case, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So coming to the figure, he has given ABC and AMP are two right angled triangles where this AMP right angled at M, ABC right angled at B. We want to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Coming to the solution. Given ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. So now we are considering triangle ABC and triangle AMP, where in these two triangles I have angle M is equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree, where in both the triangles your angle A is common. Now coming to the solution. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, we have angle CAB is equal to angle MAP, where angle A is common for both the triangles. Next case, as we said, angle B is equal to angle M. Each angle is 90 degree. So, by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second case, I want to prove CA by PA is equal to BC by MP, where in the triangle AMP and ABC, where CA and PA, BC and MP are the sides which involved in the triangle AMP and ABC. Since we proved that these two triangles are similar, so its corresponding sides are in proportion. So therefore I will get CA by PA, CA which is involved in the triangle ABC, CA by PA is equal to CB, that is BC or CB by MP. Hence proved.